Alright, I'm heading to Livingston, Montana. To deliver 3 clays to the Foundry. At least it's a bright sunny day. Got to make a couple stops in Ennis, Montana before I get going. Well, I'm not going to be taking much video because, as you can see, my camera isn't set up for outdoors. Forgot to do it. Alright, this is how I've got the 3 clays back here. And I'm at the Foundry, and I'm going to go deliver them right now. Alright, I'm at the Foundry. They're looking at my rabbit piece, jackrabbit, to try to figure out what they would charge me for it. And this is Byron and his son Ben. Byron's the owner of the Boyer Bronze here in Livingston, Montana. All right, everybody, have a great night. I'm going to head home, and I'll see you later next week or whenever I come up with an idea for my next piece. One way I keep myself in the studio and I can buy clay to work with and pay for the internet to put the videos that I shoot on to the web is through my sales of my instructional videos. If you're so inclined, check the link below this video where I have a review of all 9 of my current instructional videos, and see if you possibly find anything interesting there. I pretty much give you my over 50 years of experience in sculpting, and I'd really appreciate it if you'd consider purchasing 1 or 2 or even all my videos. They're streaming online on Vimeo, and you need a passcode to see them, but that works forever as long as you have that passcode and the link. So please consider that. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.